Easy answers, quick solutions for you and your RV, Scotty says.
Hi guys, we're just going to talk about fuses today, 12 volt fuses. Got a couple just down in front of us here. On the end of it tells you a number. That number is a 10 amp, upside down, sorry. That's a 10 amp. And then different ones, 15 amps, 30 amps, etc. And they all go by colours. If a fuse blows, in the centre of the fuse, which is the one on that side, you can see a little wire which is broken. This one right beside it, that fuse goes all the way through, or the wire goes all the way through. That's a good one. If the fuses blow, it's for a reason. Doesn't mean you should replace them, but replace it. If it blows again, the fuse blows for a reason. It's a protection for the system. So you may have an earthing problem, you may have a voltage problem, you may have another problem down your system. So don't keep replacing them. And the worst thing you can ever do is get a larger fuse and stick a larger fuse in amps or in the numbers, because that's a bigger protection system. If your system's already playing up, you're putting more protection on it, you can do a lot of damage to everything else, including wiring, etc. Simple.